One of the biggest struggles when it comes to making money online is finding something that fits into your already busy schedule. Today, I'll go over 4 unique side hustles that even the busiest of people can start. Use the chapters to skip to a side hustle you want to see. These aren't in any particular order, but number 1 is Amazon Flex. What Amazon Flex is basically becoming a delivery driver, but completely in your own time. They pay you over minimum wage. You'll be getting 13 to 17 pounds an hour. This is obviously going to be more in American dollars. Amazon also mentions that when you schedule a delivery block, they'll then tell you how much that is estimated to earn for you. They also have delivery blocks 7 days a week, but due to this being so flexible, they won't have every single time block each week and they're not guaranteed. The great thing about Amazon Flex is that literally even the busiest person can start doing it. If you want to do as little as an hour each week, then you can, or if you want to do way more, then you'll be able to do that as well. It's very easy to sign up as well. All you have to do is download the app and then sign up. This is really accessible for people as well, because say you're on the way to work or school or coming home from something, then you can pick up some parcels, then drop them off in your local area. At the same time, you're making money as doing your usual trip. Second on our list is dropshipping. If you don't know what dropshipping is, then it's a form of retail fulfillment. You're basically selling products you don't own yet, but as soon as you make a sale, you go to your supplier and ship directly to the customer, keeping whatever profit that you make in between. The benefits of dropshipping are generally how easy it is to start and grow the business. Also, the main reason for these side hustles that I'm showing you today are about them being so flexible. Dropshipping is probably one of the most flexible side hustles you can start. This method can be done and you might only want to spend a couple hours a week on it. As long as you're doing the right things, this will still generate you money each day. The great thing about it as well is it could potentially be a full-time income. So depending on the amount of time you want to put into it, you could do it full-time in the future. Number 3 on our list is content writing. This can generate a really good income and again can be done at any time of the day. There are no limits on how little or how much work you do on it. You can come over to a website called iWriter.com and you can then write content for people who want things written about certain subjects or topics. There are also thousands of different jobs posted each month that you can apply for. There's also tiers of your service as well. So if you're a beginner, then you can use the standard ones and then apply for those jobs. Or if you're a better writer, you can do some of the higher ones, which will obviously generate you more money. All you need to do is come over to this part of the website here and press Become an iWriter today. Fill out the relevant information and then you could start copywriting today. Another website that's going to be working alongside iWriter is Fiverr. Fiverr may slightly require more experience, but still can be done. This is a freelancing website for people who want to sell a service. So rather than applying for these jobs, you'll be having to sell yourself. Both of these will work for content writing, so make the most money possible by doing them at the same time. Obviously, only accepting jobs you one have time for and also want to actually do. Finally, domain flipping. This is a very unique side hustle for people to jump on and not a huge amount of people do it currently compared to some of the other side hustles we've talked about today. The idea of this is to find expired domain names that are catchy and seem brandable. So someone's obviously then going to be buying them for more money that you've paid for. For this, we can use a website called justdrop.com. Essentially, go through some of the search terms as you'll find thousands of different ones. You might want to have a specific thing you're looking for so you can get a really easy flip very quickly. On the left here, it tells you when the domains are dropping. So if you keep an eye on this, you can be the first one here so that you can start making money very quickly. Let me know in the comments if I've missed a side hustle that you're currently making money on today. Also, make sure to like and subscribe for future money making methods.